In this video, you'll learn how to sell Pi token on the Bitget exchange. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the sale of your Pi tokens and understand the necessary actions involved in the process. Start by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. You can do this by entering the Bitget URL into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, take a moment to ensure that you are on the correct platform, which is designed for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Next, look for the option labeled Buy Crypto on the main interface. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Clicking on this option will direct you to a page where various trading options are available for cryptocurrencies. After that, locate the buy and sell section on the screen. This area will present you with the options to manage your cryptocurrencies, to manage your cryptocurrency transactions effectively. Once you click on buy and sell, you will see a range of options. Once this appears, click on the sell option. This will allow you to initiate the process of selling your Pi tokens. It is important to confirm that you are on the correct page to avoid any mistakes during the transaction. Now you will see a section indicating your available balance, typically displayed as available 0 USDT. Click on this area to proceed with your transaction. If you do not have sufficient funds, ensure that you have the necessary amount in your account before continuing. Next, click on the pay button. This action will bring up the payment options available for your transaction. Ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, as any interruptions can affect the transaction process. Following this, select USDT from the available options. This selection is crucial as it represents the currency you will receive in exchange for your Pi tokens. Make sure you have selected the correct currency to avoid errors. Then, type Pi into the search bar to find your Pi token. This step will help you locate the specific token you wish to sell. After entering Pi, the system should display the token for selection. Once you see the Pi token, click on it to confirm your selection. This action will prepare the system to process your transaction. Double check that you have selected the correct token before proceeding. Now, click on the receive option, which will allow you to specify how you wish to receive your funds. This is an important step as it dictates the method of transaction completion. Next, choose VND as your preferred currency for receiving the funds. Selecting the correct currency ensures that your funds are received in the desired format. You will need to click on VND again to confirm your selection. This double confirmation step helps to avoid any mistakes in your transaction process. After that, select the Receive With option. This will display the available methods of receiving your funds. Make sure to review these options carefully. Then, click on your VND balance to confirm the amount you are willing to sell. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are aware of your available balance before completing the transaction. Next, click on the amount displayed, such as 4,407.8002, to finalize your selling transaction. Ensure that this amount corresponds with your intended sale. Once you verify the amount, click on Confirm. This action will finalize your sale and initiate the transfer process. Be patient as the system processes your request. Finally, click on Sell Pi to complete the transaction. This last step will officially sell your Pi tokens and transfer the funds to your specified account. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.